guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have September's Look Fantastic Beauty Box. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so September's Look Fantastic Beauty Box just arrived. They do send me this for review, so thank you so much, Look Fantastic, for sending me your beauty box. Let's go ahead and see what we have. I'm very intrigued because look at all of this shininess. If you're paying attention to all of this going on, a whole lot of shining going on. It says the birthday box, so it must be Look Fantastic's birthday. If that's the case, then happy birthday, Look Fantastic. I like this color, like this light peachy corally color. It's very pretty. I love these boxes because I use them for storage. So let's go ahead and see what's in the birthday box. Hey you guys, I'm so excited to tell you that my favorite beauty advent calendar, I've told you the last 2 years, my favorite beauty advent calendar is the Look Fantastic. It is now available for pre-sale. It's going to have a combined worth of $640 total in product. I will link it down below if you would like a direct link to take a look at it, but you can pre-order now for $110. Again, link down below. Happy birthday. There's the inside. There's that. Here's a pamphlet, and then here's what it looks like on the inside. So it does say Beauty Box Edition, the birthday edition, September 2020. Tips, reviews, products, and interviews, all inside this booklet right here. Nice book. It's back. That's right. It's back because for the past few months since we've been in this current world situation, they've been putting their books digitally, and they said that they will be back as soon as they can, and now they're back. So then let's go ahead and cut this tape. It has the LF Look Fantastic. And that's what the presentation looks like when you first open it up. So let's see what we have this month. I'm really excited. It's a birthday. This September, the beauty box turns 6. Happy 6th birthday. That's amazing. We want to celebrate with all of our lovely subscribers, and we hope our birthday edition beauty box lends a helping hand. Our September box is full of amazing products from luxury cosmetics to cult favorite skincare. And there's even an exciting facial tool thrown in the mix. In this month's Beauty Box Edition, we bring an exclusive interview with Luxie's founder, an exciting feature from skincare heroes Elemis, and showcasing some new launches on Look Fantastic. Ooh, I will definitely read that and check that out. Then there is a page that says what's in the box, so it's going to go over some of the products that are in here. Ooh, and when it says Elemis, I see Elemis. Ooh, let's go ahead and find that product first then. Okay, so here is the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream Anti-Wrinkle Day Cream, Anti-Aging. I really like this. I've received this several times and I love Elemis, so I'm so glad to get this. Its antioxidant properties improve collagen protection to improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. How to use? Apply daily to cleanse skin, massaging all over face and neck. So an Elemis item, you guys, that's awesome. We have a Luxie brush. Here's a Luxie brush. This is Luxie brush number 209, and it says that it is a large shader brush. Ooh, so here's that. Nice little shader brush. I will definitely keep that because anything for my eyes, that's like the only thing I do use. So I'm really glad to get an eye brush, like for my eyeshadow. This is the 209 large shader brush, suitable to use with both cream and powder eyeshadows. This soft synthetic Luxie eye brush will be a great addition to your beauty toolkit. So there's item number 2. Then we have this is ESPA Natural Beauty Inner Calm Pink Hair and Sculpt Mud. Pink Hair and Sculpt Mud. Intensive treatment mask to condition and nourish hair and scalp. Yes, I love hair masks, you guys. Oh my gosh, yes, please, and thank you. And it says it's a pink, and it is pink, look. It's literally pink in color too. That is so cool. So it looks like this one you could have had a variation because it shows this mud mask, and it also shows a purifying that whatever cleanser. I don't know how to say that word, but it shows the two different ones that you would have received right there. So there's that. I'm glad I got the hair mask because I love hair masks, you guys. Okay, so now we have as a product, it's a Beyond Powder Highlighter, ooh, by Illamasqua. So you would have got the highlighter by Illamasqua, or you could have got one by The Balm. So there's two different highlighters. That's really neat that there's different variations. So here's that. There's that without the packaging, and let's check you out. It's right there in the middle. Let's see. There you go, I see it. I just wanted something subtle, so I barely put any on, but I was using my finger, but I really like that. So we have a highlighter. Is this a lip liner? Mini Lip Pencil, shade 80, Antique Pink. All right, this is Diego Dalla Parma? Diego Dalla Parma, I think that's the brand, but here's what it looks like right there. And then there's the color. Ooh, that's actually a really pretty color. I would probably line my lips and actually fill it in with that kind of a color. That's really pretty. I like that. So there's that. Then we have a LookFantastic Beauty Box Pop Socket. That's neat. I've never seen that before, so maybe they did this because it's their 6th birthday, so it's a little birthday gift. That is really neat. And then we have an HD Jade Roller from Brushworks. So we have a face roller. These are amazing. I love using these with my serums, and they feel so cold to the face. I love it. So here's the Brushworks Jade Roller. Roll all over your favorite serums, moisturizers, or face masks for 5 minutes daily. So that's amazing that we have a face roller in here, you guys. So that is everything that came in this beauty box for their birthday bash. Happy 6th birthday again, LookFantastic. That's amazing. So we have the face roller, we have the highlighter, we have a lip pencil, we have a Luxie eyeshadow large shadow brush, Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream, and we have a hair mask, and we have a pop socket. This is an amazing box, you guys. Comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this month's box? Do you get LookFantastic? Do you want to get LookFantastic? Definitely comment down below and let me know. If you want to know a little bit more about LookFantastic, it's $19 a month. You get free delivery. If you do 3 months, it'll bring it to $18. If you do 6 months, it brings it to $17. And if you go to 12 months, it's $16 per month. So you get to choose from 1, 3, 6, or 12-month rolling subscription plan with a free international delivery. So free delivery anywhere you live in the United States, internationally, you will have free delivery. Monthly billing, your subscription will auto renew at the end of your chosen subscription period. You can opt out, so you can cancel at any time. You receive a curated collection of 6 beauty products with a guaranteed worth of over $60. A beauty experience that covers cult favorites to trending beauty brands. Discover the LookFantastic Beauty Box today. I will link them down below. Thank you again, LookFantastic, for sending me your box. I greatly do appreciate it. This was an amazing box. So definitely comment down below. Let me know what you thought. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.